welcome back to Government Issue. In this particular video, I would like to review a particular product that pistol owners particularly need, and I would call it a essential product, and that's a pistol mat, right? And the particular pistol mat that I will be reviewing in this particular video is from the particular company called Lyman, and this is their essential pistol mat. Now, I bought this mat for $11.99, about $12.05 at my local gun store in my town that I live in, and they're fairly cheap. What I like about this mat is that it's very functional, and especially when you're taking apart your firearm, you got springs, pins, things of that nature, triggers, especially if you're going into a full breakdown and clean. What Lyman offers you in this particular pistol mat is several different compartments in areas where you can store those small components and parts so you don't lose them ultimately. So let's get into the unboxing of this, right? So you want to open here at the top. All right, let's get this out the way. And Lyman claims that this particular pistol mat protects your gun's finish and your bench finish, and is chemical resistant and is made from synthetic rubber for non-slip surfaces. And obviously, like I said, it has those molded in storage compartments to keep parts secure and organized. And like I said, again, you can use this for cleaning your pistols, revolvers, things of that nature. But also you can clean it, you can use it to clean, pretty much to store parts when you're cleaning other weapons such as rifles, shotguns, things of that nature, so that you just don't lose the parts and components, and you just throw it on the mat here and keep those parts organized and in place. And here's the mat, right? And as you can see, it's been rolled up, so it's going to take some time to take its normal shape of, being unfolded. And this is how it would normally rest on your desk. And, just from holding it in my hand, it does have somewhat of a little weight on it. Not much, but it does have that premium feel, to me at least, that rubber premium feel weight to it. And the compartments that they advertised are here, as you can see. These grooves where you can store your actual parts when you're actually cleaning your actual pistol. And I think it's pretty neat. It's small now, right? And I know some people are like, well, why don't you just get a towel and, do it on your kitchen table? Of course, you can do it that way as well if you choose to. But, if you're, at the range, if you're out in the field and, you want to clean your firearm after firing, you just bring this little guy with you and, you just break down your firearm here on this mat, put the components here, each component. And, you get the cleaning, and you don't got to worry about the parts rolling off your table, you misplacing them, losing them. Everything is well organized, and it's made by a reputable company. And again, of course, as you can see, it's been rolled up. But once you use it more than once, and, when you store it, obviously you don't roll it back up. It's going to take its normal form and be flat on a flat surface, and be used the way it's been intended to be used for. So this is Lyman's pistol mat. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. If you actually bought any Lyman's products, if you actually have this product, what do you think about it? Do you enjoy it? Do you not enjoy it? See you guys in the next video. Government Issue.